嗱，今日就係10月19號喺Luxor嘅第二日。今晚呢，我哋隻船就開身，就沿住尼羅河向南行駛。而家係喺Luxor朝頭早7點鐘。今日呢，就會去尼羅河個西岸嗰度去參觀帝王谷 The Valley of the Kings。
好大風添啊！我吹咗頂帽，係啦，好快嘅，1分鐘，係啊。
Later。好啦，我哋啱啱參觀完帝王谷啦，我以為就係而家去 Egypt 嘅神殿嗰度，點知導遊就帶咗我哋去參觀一間雪花石膏工廠。原來呢度就係我哋呢個旅行嘅第一個購物地點啦。
Enjoy by look. We are family business. No shame in the bazaar. No hustle here. No bush for shopping. If you want to buy something, okay. If you don't want something, visit. This is the most famous rock here, Alabaster stone. The alabaster, we got 3 colors. We got the white, we got the brown. Sometimes we find the dark green. The green, it's very smooth, like soft stone. White and the brown, he look like crystal. We get it behind this area, 60 miles by camel and donkey, because there is no road for the car. First step, my grandfather cutting the stone. But first, he looked at the rock and decided to be a big vase, a dishes, obelisk, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. This is the shape of the vase. From the beginning, looks very heavy. It's heavy, yeah? So sorry. After he's cut, this is the first step. Second step, my uncle, he make a drill inside. Automatic man. After finish the hole, polish with smooth with chevron filing here. Keep it in oven. 10 minutes, 250 degrees, polish with wax. Handmade, it take 2 weeks. Can you hold it now? It's very light. Machine made about couple of days. Machine very heavy, even smaller. Handmade bigger, but super light. And the handmade one, it will be 100% translucent. It's a rock here. Wow! Oh my God! Oh, thank you. But my cousin here, he make a limestone pieces similar to the one you are seeing in the tombs. Sometimes white, sometimes painted with color. The other cousin here, he make one of the volcanic rock in Egypt for south. So look at this one. Wow. By the way, it's very hard than alabaster. So this one, it takes about 25 days to make one piece. Because when you make the drill inside, it's very difficult. Alabaster, it's easy. But look at the brown one. Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, thank you. My cousin is not Egyptian. He's from Las Vegas.
Wow, my goodness.
By the way, look at the detail, the tree of the life, the king, the Papyrus. Thank you, sir. Where are you from? US. Welcome to Las Vegas, my friend. So this is different between the alabaster handmade and the machine made, and the limestone and the basalt. By the way, basalt, one of the holiest kind of rock in Egypt, like firestone, similar to the granite one. Yes, sir. Yes. Sometimes my mother uses it at home when she was working with my father. But look, this is American size. My mother, she had a big size. When she do this, my father, he will be the dishwasher of the house. And buy flour. Thank you for listening, dear. Let's go inside. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
我哋買咩啊，老婆？
永遠都係你。
唔係，我想買一個嗰啲佢啲油嗰啲嘢。
我走咗。
Wow, my goodness！要俾錢㗎係咪啊？
So my left section, this is the handmade one. So how will I get this? Whiskey. Whiskey is underlined. This is the white color. Look.
Wow!
Wow.
10% discount for you now. Look at the brown color.
Wow.
10% for you, man. The green color.
Woo!
Now 50% for everybody. Before you come here, many people in the bazaar try to sell us stuff like this. This is the imitation. It's plaster. Real stone should be like this. Never burning, no break. This is for good luck. But my mother, she used it when she get a problem with my son. What else we have? This is really guys. The whole area can use it. For hot cold drink, this glasses you can drink for it. This dishes you can eat for it. Microwave, dishwasher, no problem. And we have a different size. Start from this size to the bigger size like this. What else we have? Behind you, all this is the big basis with the alabaster stone. So this is that different after the night when we switch the light of coffee.
Whoa!
Happy birthday. Shukran. The last shilling we should have
I thought the power went off again. Really, just like last night at the ship. I thought, oh, again.
This is about 56 years old. This basis is 100 years old. But this room is coming with certificate because this is 100 years old. All the pieces inside this room, it's made of granite. But look at this one. Let's just start from this. That's the 4 canopy jars of the King Tutankhamun. Maybe you've been in Cairo or not yet? Not yet? You seen the museum this one or not yet? So when you come back, you will see it because this is the box from the King Tutankhamun. So when you come back, you will see it similar to this one. And look at this one. This is the Anubis. It's a mummification like an ancient Egyptian time. The scarab is the 2 wings and lapis. And inside, that's each of them. That's we call it the 4 canopy jars. The one he put the delivering and stomach inside, like an ancient Egyptian time. All, yeah, yes, sir. All the things that started here, it's special pieces, and this is 100% stone. Even the collection of the limestone and painted behind, like the fire and the real fire. If you like to see the big stuff, let me show you. So guys, that's all about now. We need the chance to look around. You have your family. Don't forget, no hustle here, no go for shoulder. If you decide something you're gonna buy, let me know. Accept any cash, any credit, Master, Visa, American Express, no extra charge. We book everything in a plastic bubble, and we do ship the big stuff. DHL, both logos and shoulders. We have a very clean wash room for free. And we have a welcome drink in the counter. It's free as well, like a mint tea, coffee, hibiscus, Coke Zero, Coke Normal, Fast Life. It's free drink. Thank you for listening, and welcome to Las Vegas. Thank you guys. Thank you. No, thousands not legal. We go to the jail, my friend. And we don't lie. We try to enjoy our life, you know.
Fanta,
I am
Sprite,
actually fine. Don't worry.
and
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
cousin,
Huh?
would you like a drink?
No, shukra.
Up to you.
Yes.
You? No, up to you.
唔，太早喎。Your name is Yusuf too?
Yusuf.
Yusuf in Arabic.
Yusuf Arabic.
هذا عكا Good man. Yusuf.
How do you read?
Yusuf.
No.
Yusuf.
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 Yeah.
Shukra. 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 嗱，嚟埃及一個好熱門嘅商品就喺莎草紙上邊嘅油畫。今日呢，就係12月21號，我哋而家喺阿斯旺。睇嚟呢一間公司規模都唔細，價錢就一定唔平㗎啦，藝術品。不過呢，就係希望呢度嗰啲莎草紙係真嘢啦，因為喺網上成日都流行話要警告提防假嘅莎草紙，話。
To make the sheet of papyrus, as I told you, we just need the inner part. So, if you check the inner part now, it's a very weak anti-fake one, as you see. Why? Because it contains 3 ingredients: sugar, fiber, and water. So the first step, I will break the fiber using this hammer, this mallet. This is the first step to be the slice more strong, as you see. And then squeeze out of the water using rolling pin. Yeah, easy for a moment. See how it is? See, the water comes out. After 2 steps, it got be more strong and very flexible, but it still had the 3rd ingredient, the sugar. So it's about the water for 6 days to remove about 70% of the sugar. Why? Because we just need the 30%. After 6 days, the slice becomes like this.
It expands.
Depend on the size, by the way, not larger in the water. So if you check now the slice after 6 days, it got be sticky. Why? Because the sugar become in the surface, and this is the reason. No chemical glue in ancient times. They use the sugar as a natural glue to stick the slices together to last forever, like this. So it's about on the carpet, horizontal and vertical line overlapping. Overlapping, it means all vertical, and when done you can put the horizontals. But then use the carpet because no carpet in ancient times. So what do you think instead of the carpet? What do you think? Fur? Animal linen with animal skin instead of the carpet, and so on. Now put the horizontals once, like this.
No, it's sticking to each other, so there's just 2 vertical.
See how it is, and so on. And put another part of the carpet, and put on press machine for 6 days to dry. 6 days the slice in water to get rid of the sugar. 6 days and press machine to dry. But also didn't use a press machine because no press machine in ancient times. So what do you think? Luxor Biggest, yeah. So 6. See, it's very strong, very flexible, very elastic, easy to roll, and deliver to the artist to do all painted around you. You can see more than this. If you want to know the difference between the fake one and the original one, put papyrus paper under any source of light. You can notice now the horizontal line and the vertical line we make it, and some dark brown spots. Why? Because the sugar. But the fake one making banana leaf and no sugar in banana leaf, so no dark brown spots. The second difference, the color of the sheet more yellow, but the fake one more white. Always you can see the fake one in street or small bazaars in plastic bags. So if you try to roll the fake one, it got made completely. Why? Because with chemical glue. But the original one easy to roll it because without any chemical glue. Yeah, we have also another type of papyrus. It's called the brown one. How you get the brown one? Keep the slice in water for 2 weeks, not 1. After 2 weeks, you can put the slice in a fresh air or under the sun, so the sugar oxidizes. It turns the slice beige to brown. Like if you eat the apple and put another part of the apple in a fresh air, it turns the apple beige to brown because the ingredient of the apple is a sugar. The same thing, the ingredient of a papyrus is a sugar. So under the sun for just 10 minutes, and also in pressing machine for 2 weeks, not 1. To get the brown one, nothing to add it if you want to feel it.
我受唔住引誘，就買咗幅畫，就係 The Key of Life Ankh。而家呢位小姐就用埃及象形文字寫我個名。研究下我買嗰張畫， 喺見到有打直同打橫嘅圖案，再加上深咖啡色嘅條紋，呢個係即係話佢係有糖分喺度嘅呢張紙。咁呢個我買嗰張係真正用 Papyrus paper 做嘅畫啦。